Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I'm going to make part of a costume for a couple of my granddaughters. You see, they're going to be angels in our family nativity little plaything that we're going to put together. I have 8 grandchildren altogether, and besides the 2 of them being angels, I have 3 granddaughters that are going to be the wise women. And then I have 2 two-year-old grandsons that are going to be shepherds. My youngest grandbaby, he's only 5 months old. He's going to be baby Jesus, and his mom and dad are Mary and Joseph. So today, I'm going to show you how I made the halos for the angels. The first thing you're going to need is some garland, and make sure this garland has wire in it. I happen to have some big, thick garland, but you can use the little thin garland too. Just a preference there. And then we need just some wire. I'm using floral wire, but if you want to use craft wire of some sort, you can. I would say maybe 20 gauge would be good. If you want, you could use 18 or 16 gauge. Just remember that the lower the number, the bigger the wire, and the bigger the wire, the harder it is to work with. But you do need it to be sturdy, not flimsy. So I would not go skinnier than 20 gauge. You're going to need some wire cutters. Scissors might work too. It's just to cut the garland. And if you're using scissors to cut that wire, the garland, don't use your good scissors. You don't want to ruin them. You're also going to need some flat nose pliers and then some round nose pliers. Honestly though, if you don't have round nose pliers, you could probably use the flat nose pliers because the loop that you're going to make, it's going to be covered up with the garland, so you won't see that it's kind of wonky. So the first thing you do is you take your wire and you're going to loop it around. Now, it doesn't matter if it's got some kinks in it. That's going to be covered up by the garland. Twist it around like so and leave some sticking out. The next thing you're going to do is take your round nose pliers or your flat nose pliers, and you're going to make a loop on one of those ends that are sticking out. And this is basically to keep it from being a poking hazard. And then you're going to do it on the other end, just like this. And like I said, it doesn't have to look pretty because that garland is going to cover all this up. So now you're going to take the garland, find one of the ends, and just start wrapping this wired loop you just made. You're going to secure that end. Like I said, this should be wired garland, so it's easy just to kind of secure it at one end and just weave it around and around and around until you come to the other end. Clip it off with your wire cutters or scissors, tuck it in, and you're done. And all you need to do is pair it up with a pretty white dress and you have an angel costume. And there you have it. I just have to make another one. Thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.